Hi there. Today we'll explain the next 18 essential IT terms from the chapter 2.4 Backend Developers in our book. You can find the book linked in the description below. Let's dive in.
API, Application Programming Interface. A set of rules that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. Developers use APIs to connect payment systems like PayPal with online stores. Load balancing, the distribution of incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure system reliability and efficiency. Load balancing prevents a website from crashing during high traffic by distributing requests across multiple servers. Server-side logic, code executed on the server that handles the business logic of an application, processing user requests and delivering appropriate responses. In an e-commerce app, server-side logic handles order processing and payment validation. Middleware, software that acts as a bridge between different systems or applications, facilitating communication and data exchange. Middleware enables seamless data transfer between a web application and a database. Encryption, the process of converting data into a coded format to protect it from unauthorized access during storage or transmission. End-to-end encryption in messaging apps ensures private conversations remain secure. Background, the underlying processes and operations that occur on the server side, invisible to the user but essential for application functionality. A music streaming app downloads songs in the background while the user listens. Data leak, the unauthorized exposure or transfer of sensitive data from a secure system, a critical concern in back-end development. A data leak can expose user passwords and personal information, leading to security risks. Data layer, the part of an application responsible for managing how data is stored, accessed, and retrieved, serving as the foundation for back-end operations. The data layer of a banking app ensures that transactions are processed accurately. Compatibility, the ability of one computer, piece of software, etc., to work with another. The latest Windows update improved compatibility with older applications. Immersive, generating a three-dimensional image that appears to surround the user. Virtual reality headsets provide an immersive gaming experience. Indispensable, absolutely necessary components or processes without which the system cannot function properly. A strong cybersecurity strategy is indispensable for protecting sensitive company data. To expose, to make something visible or accessible, either by uncovering it or by making certain functionalities, APIs, or systems available for integration and use by others. The API was exposed to allow third-party developers to integrate new features. To carry out, to perform a task. The system carries out daily security checks to detect vulnerabilities. Deployment, the process of transferring an application from development to a live production environment, making it accessible to users. The new mobile app is ready for deployment to the App Store. Hosting, providing the infrastructure and services needed to make a website or application available online, typically managed on servers. Cloud hosting services like AWS offer scalable infrastructure for businesses. Authentication. The process of verifying the identity of a user or system, often using credentials like usernames and passwords. Two-factor authentication enhances security by requiring a one-time code. Authorization. Determining what actions a user or system is permitted to perform after being authenticated. After logging in, a user is authorized to access their personal dashboard, but not admin settings. Vulnerability. Weaknesses in a system that can be exploited by attackers, leading to potential security breaches. A software vulnerability can allow hackers to steal user data.
Hey Sarah, I need help setting up authentication for our web app. I want users to log in securely.
Sure, we can use encryption to protect login credentials and ensure data isn't exposed to attackers.
Great! After authentication, we also need to set up authorization so that only admins can access sensitive settings.
Exactly. Also, let's make sure our API is secure to prevent any data leaks.
Good point. Also, our app needs better load balancing since we expect heavy traffic.
Agreed. Let's deploy it to a hosting provider with scalable infrastructure.
Sounds like a plan.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.